What's going on, guys? It's Jose from Bait and Boujee, and I'm going to try and catch a single dang fish today. Now, so the fall bite is on, right? Or at least a lot of people are saying. Well, I haven't had any luck. That's why I haven't posted a video in a while. I am not catching anything. But then again, I've been going for these larger fish. Well, I watched a video last night, and it's Alex from Realistic Fishing. I'll link that video up there. And he went drop shot, just trying to catch anything. And drop shot is something that I used to do constantly. But when I started making videos, I started trying different techniques that I'm not used to. But after watching that, I said, you know what? Why not go back to what I know? And I know how to do drop shot. Well, I kind of know how to do drop shot, but it's something I'm familiar with. So I'm in front of Life Church, right off the highway, and there's a nice little creek that runs across right all of these businesses. And I got a hint saying that there's fish in here. So drop shotting, I'm going to be using the 4-inch Roboworm in a margarita mutilator, and hopefully I'll get on some fish. But before I get started, hey, I'm asking that you please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit that like button, and I appreciate you. So let's get it.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
So here's what we're working with today, guys. Here's the creek. It's right behind all these businesses. There's the church. Got my Sharky 3000 series reel. Trapper Tack 1/0 drop shot. Here's that margarita mutilator that I was talking about. Looks like there's a little bit of action. Maybe a little bit of something. Hit this area up first. There we go. Yeah. What we got here? Nice. Ooh, that's a good sized sunfish. Ooh, beautiful size. That is one of the larger sunfishes I've ever caught. Well, time to let this one go. A little bit of a bleeder too. That's a good sized sunfish. On to spot number 2. This looks promising underneath this bridge. Let's give this a shot. Well, guys, I went up and down that creek and managed only to catch that one sunfish. From the looks like it, though, I finally found a place that did have some bait fish. There was some other fish around, but maybe they weren't biting because of the weather or the damn Canadian geese. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hopefully I figure out this fall bite, especially moving into winter. Got to figure out what the heck these fish want. So anyways, let's get it.